Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today, we're talking about finance, talking about YouTube algorithm, YouTube Pay, ad revenue, AdSense, all that business. So I'm wearing my finance shirt. I want to apologize because my walls look super bland and I just moved into this apartment like 2 weeks ago. I don't have everything quite set up yet. However, I do have pictures and portraits, wall art on these three walls, just not anything right back there. Maybe 100,000 subscriber plaque somewhere over there would look cool, just saying. But if you clicked on this video, you probably want to hear a little bit about it. So let's just dive into it. A little background context on my channel. I have 1,275 subscribers as of August 23rd, 2020. That is today. It is Sunday. Also, before we start, I want to say thank you guys for your continuous support. If it were not for you, my loyal fans, subscribers, whatever you want to call yourselves, I could not be making this video. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. This is such a cool video to make. And yeah, I love doing this sort of stuff. So I make these videos to be open, honest, transparent with everybody that follows and watches my videos. I hope you guys appreciate that because I do enjoy talking about it. Also, one more thing before we head into the topic of the video, if you would please be so kind as to hit that like button down there. It does help out the YouTube algorithm and promote my videos to other viewers. So in this video, we're going to cover the topic of YouTube Pay. We're going to answer some of the questions like when, why, how I get paid, how everybody gets paid on YouTube. So let's get into it. If you didn't know, YouTubers are paid off ad revenue. This is through Google AdSense. So people who are promoting a product, brand, video, whatever it is, bid on your video and they will place ads on it. So this is the analytics of my YouTube channel. I've featured this screen on a couple of my other videos, but this was in the past. Things have definitely changed since then. So YouTubers are paid, like I said, off Google AdSense. We have a couple measurable things in the revenue that are specific to your channel. So the first of which is the CPM. Now, Google has a pretty good explanation of what this is. It is the total amount of money that advertisers spend per 1,000 impressions. So right now my CPM is $7.09. Now that's pretty average. I'm pretty sure the average around the board is like $4 to $8 for YouTube as a whole. So the RPM rather is the revenue that you get basically net. So after YouTube takes a cut, after ad block and other things are factored in, this is essentially how much you take, and that is per 1,000 views. So let's really quickly go over when YouTubers get paid. Now, the short answer is once a month. The long answer is it depends. Obviously, everything depends. So if you hit the minimum threshold for payout, it is $100. They will pay you once a month. Now, most YouTubers that do this for a career obviously hit that. Every month it stacks up, and until you pass that threshold, you won't get paid. So this past month is the first month I actually did hit that, and it felt really good. So obviously it's over $100. So what I'm saying is for the first 2 months of ads being on my videos, I did not see a single cent for my work. Actually for the first 14 months really, because it took me a year to get partnered. It took me a year to build up those 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. On the overview page, we see views, watch hours, subscribers, estimated revenue. So I have that blurred out at the moment just because this is like the pre-reveal, like explanation of how, why, when, all that sort of stuff. So you can go ahead and skip forward if you want. However, I think this is the most important part of the video, is answering the questions. So in a nutshell, why YouTubers get paid: advertisers bid on your video to put ads on it. They pay, YouTube takes a cut, you take a cut. That's it. So I actually did not see a penny on YouTube until 14 months after my first upload. Now I'll talk about money and YouTube later in the video, but until then, just know that I did not make a single cent. You need to have a Google AdSense account. You need to have all that stuff set up. You need to have your tax information. Taxes are not automatically taken out from AdSense, so you need to set aside money, you need to be responsible. You have to pay taxes on your own. However, just so the viewers know, every single cent I make on YouTube is going to be reinvested in the channel, making it better, making it more entertaining, hopefully for you guys. So let's talk about revenue. I am on my revenue section of my channel analytics right now. Let's go to April 22nd was my first day partnered. And cool. Okay, so here you see a couple key figures: CPM, RPM, and estimated revenue total. Now I have it blurred out right now just because, the big reveal is pretty sick. Let's get to the reveal, I suppose. This is why you're here. This is why you clicked on the video. Myself, with a channel of 1,275 subscribers at this moment in time, makes an RPM of $3.27. My total estimated revenue over the course of the last 3 months is $188.62. Now this is a little higher than my payout because I am past the 15th of the month, which is the cutoff for monthly earnings. My total AdSense revenue was $136.70. Now this was direct deposited it into my bank account on the 21st of the month. So that $136.70 is based off 3 months of generated earnings, really. If we go to the revenue, my monthly earnings, let's see, April was $4 because I got partnered at the very end. I was still making pennies on the dollar per day. I was making like 50, 30 cents a day, just, you know, relatively low amounts. As you can see here, it's April, May, June, July, August. We have exponential earnings. That's just because of the nature of anything that you work hard at, you're going to make more over time. August, it is the 23rd right now, and I'm at $59.84. So I assume that's going to be around $70 for the month. That's just a couple dollars a day. As you can see, this is the total estimated revenue. Let's go to, let's say July. So this is 1 full month of revenue, making $1 a day, you know, $2 a day. And then if we switch to August, we have a similar estimated revenue, but there are still 8 days left in the month. So this is going to be higher, I assume. Now, ladies and gentlemen, August is where I really hit the bank. As you can see, we're making $2, $3, $4 a day. Yesterday was my highest grossing revenue of $4.71 in 1 day. So yes, expect a couple Lambos coming on the channel soon. Just kidding, we're obviously not making that kind of currency yet, but maybe one day, who knows. RPM was actually higher, $4.55. So I know RPM was impacted by the coronavirus kind of pandemic, and YouTubers across the board are making less than they normally would on Adsense. So I only hope that number goes up, but like I said, I am not doing YouTube for the money. I'm doing it as a hobby. It's fun. I'm passionate about uploading, making things, content creation, that sort of stuff. So never catch me complaining about how much I make off YouTube. I cannot stress this enough. If somebody came up to me and said, hey, do you want to upload 73 videos over the course of the next 14 months? I'll pay you $136. I would tell them to go kick rocks. But since I'm passionate about this, I do it for myself. I do it for you guys. I mean, it's just fun for me. So anything I make on top, like I said, is being reinvested. We're having fun with this whole thing. Who knows, maybe one day I can make it a career. That'd be super cool. Honestly, it's a dream of mine to do this full time. Get that 100,000 subscriber plaque on the blank wall over there. I think I have a couple subscribers who have been here since my Call of Duty days back in like 2013, 2014. That's when I did YouTube for the first time. Gave it a little trial run. I ended up quitting, deleting all my videos, and then restarting. So like I said earlier in the video, I want to be open, transparent, honest with you guys throughout this entire process. So that is my first paycheck on YouTube. $136.70 is the grand total. It's not a lot of money, but like I said, I don't do YouTube for the money. I do it because it's fun for me. I'm passionate about it. If you guys did enjoy this kind of video, make sure to hit like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.